Hello everyone. Today is a very special day for me. I received this box from Blue Dart just now, and I will be doing an unboxing. This is a MacBook Air with M1 chipset, and this is something that I was wishing to receive long back, and this is something is in front of me today. So I will be doing this unboxing and will share my experience with all of you. Please stay tuned. You can see it says MacBook Air.
New laptop.
So this is how the box looks. So I've ordered the gold color. Let me just put it beside and let me peel this sticker out. It's very easy to unbox this product. It has been wrapped.
May I throw these?
Of course.
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
So product is there, and something that I was looking for a long time. So this is how it looks. Let me take it out.
It is actually covered with paper.
And it is covered in some plastic wrap, and let me take that out. It's a good plastic cover. A different type of gold. It's not the typical gold
Rose
color.
gold. I think the color is rose gold.
Yeah, it can be called rose gold. On the back side, there are four protectors.
It's easy and very
It's
light.
very sleek, as you can see.
Yeah.
Very sleek from all sides. You can see.
I think it's just you can carry like a book.
Yeah, you can simply carry like a book, and it's very sleek. I will give a thorough video of this product. I bought this from the Imagine store online, and it just took one day to arrive. It's very fast, and as you can see, it's a Type-C adapter. This is how it looks. I will give a detailed review. Let me configure it. I'm eager to configure it and start using it and share my experience with you all. Thank you very much for staying with me.